Welcome back everybody, it's Campbell from KBGI Customs and Collections, and today I'm going to talk about something a little bit different from G.I. Joe. And I know what you guys are going to say, this channel is all about G.I. Joe and restoring them and fixing them up and customizing. Yes, I know, but my wife shouted me to the Marvel exposition in Wellington at Katana Convention Centre. I might be saying that a bit wrong, but never mind. I'll put a map up here where you can go, and I'm just basically saying, like, this thing is absolutely off the chart. Like, if you're a big Marvel fan, you will love this. Like, you wouldn't believe what was going on and all of that. Let's just me show you the video. You just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now, as you can see, I'm showing you the map of where the Marvel Earth's Mightiest Exposition is. So this is a map here in Wellington where you can go. So that's it. I didn't actually film the front part of the exposition because I didn't know if I was allowed to film it at all. So basically when I said, can I film it? And I just got my iPhone out and just went nuts. So without further ado, people, let's get into this. Well guys, I'm here at the Marvel Exposition. Some wicked shit here, bro. Check out the Hulk. That is mean stuff, bro. Fist pump, brother. This is what you sort of see when you first walk in. And I just got a cup of coffee with the thing. Fantastic floor area here. Here's my main man, Ben Grins, or the Thing. Looks pretty good, people. So here will be your Black Paper fans. That is wicked. Wakanda forever. It's like a hammerhead shark. So you see here, this is what we had in the toys, the comics back in the day. Himself. One of my favorite characters. That's wicked. Doctor Strange here, and well, there's a lot of mirrors and it's quite deceiving. I love it. Get in a wee air. Moon Knight. Now that's wicked. Just come back to Doctor Strange, I don't think I actually got him properly. Scarlet Witches, or Witch. We're walking the bridge to Esca. Whoever holds this hammer, and if he be worthy, he will prove it possess the power of Thor. I'm kind of hoping we can put this up on YouTube.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me this other face.
See what happens. I do touch this.
That's not the name.
Yep. Well, I hope you guys enjoy that as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And hit the notification bell. I've got to say thank you to my lovely wife. She's the one that got me these tickets, or got us these tickets for my birthday. And I had an absolute blast. I've probably am a big kid, but there's a lot of Marvel fans out there, and it is in Wellington, in New Zealand. Go figured. It was absolutely wonderful, and it wasn't too bad a price too. And the merchandising. Oh my god, the merchandising was insane. But that's enough about that and me promoting the Wellington. It's time to say, please hit that notification bell. Please subscribe. And it's Yo Joe. And see you later, people.